Welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to source for quick insights on the latest machines in the mini bike world. Today, we're taking a concise look at the 2026 Coleman CT200U, a refreshed take on one of the most popular mini bikes ever built. Overview of the 2026 model. The 2026 CT200U continues Coleman's tradition of simplicity and toughness while introducing subtle refinements. It stays true to the classic, no-nonsense design but incorporates smoother power delivery, sturdier frame welding, and improved ride comfort. This model is still built for recreational riders who want reliability without complexity. Engine and performance. Under the seat, the CT200U carries its familiar 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, tuned for dependable low-end torque. The 2026 update emphasizes cleaner combustion and more stable idle performance. With steady acceleration and a top speed around the low 20s, it remains ideal for trails, campsites, and backyard fun. Handling and ride quality. The CT200U keeps its wide off-road tires and easy handling geometry, making it beginner-friendly and confidence-boosting. Upgraded bushings and slightly revised chassis rigidity help reduce vibration and enhance control on uneven terrain. The rear drum brake remains simple but effective for the bike's intended use. Build and features. Coleman keeps the feature list minimal, no electronics to worry about, just rugged steel construction and a classic mini bike silhouette. The 2026 model includes a more durable chain guard, improved seat padding, and a refined throttle assembly for better feel and longevity. Who it's for. The 2026 CT200U is perfect for casual riders, campers, and anyone wanting a dependable, low-maintenance pit bike. It's not about speed, it's about fun, accessibility, and the joy of simple riding. Closing. Thanks for watching Bike Update. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown of the 2026 Coleman CT200U, be sure to check out our other mini bike overviews. Ride safe.